Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. It's me, Raiza Contawi, and I will be bringing you the latest scoop here sa ating local beauty community, and that is the recent launch of BLK Cosmetics K-Beauty Collection. I do have the complete set of products and I'm excited na ipakita sa inyo ang aking first impression and review about this brand. And sa mga hindi nakakaalam, Ann Curtis is one of the owners of BLK Cosmetics. I already did my brows para diretso na tayo sa first in line, and ito yung BB and CC Cream Stick. It comes in 3 shades, namely Ivory Beige, Light Beige, and Natural Beige. It retails 449 pesos and weighs 6 grams. And based here sa box or packaging, sabi dito it's a skin perfector, and then it's infused with shea butter, vitamins A and E. It also smoothens skin and conceals blemishes. And you can use the brush and to buff and blend for an all-day luminous look. So, hindi siya matte to begin with. And also, meron siyang brush or meron siyang applicator. And so, let's just dive right into the application. Now, based on the swatches, yung Ivory Beige is the lightest. Natural Beige, Light Beige comes second. And lastly, yung Natural Beige. Pinkish tone yung Ivory Beige. Yellow tone yung Light Beige. And then neutral naman yung Natural Beige. I'm going to use both Natural Beige and Light Beige. Before anything else, sasabihin ko na ang packaging talaga spot on. Ang ganda ng design, ang ganda ng colors compared to the last set of products. Everything now looks world class. So I'm going to start with Light Beige on the center of my face. Wow, that's very easy to glide on. Oh. It smells, it smells makeup. Yung parang crayon. Just going to buff this in. As you can see, streaky yung application niya using the brush that comes with it. So I'm not going to use it anymore. It's very dense and short din kasi siya. So hindi talaga fully makapag-blend. So I'm just going to use my brush. The consistency of this is really creamy. And I will be placing Natural Beige here on the outer parts of my face. Now, these are my observations, pros and cons of the product. This has sheer to medium coverage. And also, this has a very creamy consistency that doesn't set to a matte finish. So for those of you who have oily skin, oily to combination skin, then you might want to set this with powder. But for those of you na mas dry naman ang balat, then you will enjoy this really nice glow. Cons for me would be the shade range dahil ang pinaka dark na would be Natural Beige. And it's not even dark sa skin range or sa skin shade range. Nasaan pa siya like medium complexion. And then the scent of the product. I don't know if it's a con for many, but personally speaking, the scent is parang wax or parang crayon. Hindi naman siya irritating, hindi naman siya sobrang tapang, pero yun lang. Para lang malaman nyo na yun yung amoy ng product. Now, for the pros, I do appreciate na iba-iba yung skin tone or iba-iba yung tones pala nung shades. So, merong pinkish tone, and then merong yellow toned and neutral tone. It is indeed moisturizing. It doesn't feel, of course, drying. Obviously, as you can see, it again, as what I've mentioned, it does give you that nice glow. And it's very aligned din sa K-beauty because, of course, Koreans really like this wet look, talagang glass skin. So that's showing, and I like that. I also do love the fact na kahit hindi siya gaano gumagana sa mukha ko, kahit pa paano, nagsama pa rin sila ng brush sa product. And this becomes an on-the-go product for those of you na ayaw na magdala ng brush and, you just have to take out the lid on the other end and then just go and blend this. And so I appreciate the, kumbaga, alignment doon sa tagline nila na uncomplicated beauty. Next, we have the creamy cheek paint that comes in 2 shades. They have strawberry and peach. Strawberry yung mas pinkish, and yung peach naman is like a vivid peach shade. So, mas muted down yung strawberry and then vivid naman and parang a pop of color yung peach. This retails 349 pesos and weighs 5 ml. I'm going to try both and I'm going to mix them together. And sisimulan ko muna sa strawberry dahil mas light siya. And then it's really cute na ang taba nung ang wide ng applicator, and sinabi nila sa launch na parang this is like the size of your finger, and so parang it imitates the pressing of color onto your cheeks. Okay, that's 2. And then, hindi ko muna sinet yung face ko with powder. Ooh, that's nice. That's very pigmented. Also, it is creamy and it does adhere to the skin and to the BB and CC stick. And so I'm going to add peach shade on top. Just 1. Kasi parang mas pigmented ito. Oh, also very nice. It's bright and also very pigmented. Easy to blend as well. And a little goes a long way. Wow, I'm looking at myself, the screen, and I'm super loving this. I personally prefer liquid blushes than powder blushes kasi mas mukha silang second skin. And this is really giving me that second skin finish ng blush. I can't think of a heavy con right now. So I'm really loving this product. Pros, I do love the shades. Kahit dalawa lang sila, pero spot on, okay na yung strawberry sa kahit anong shade. Kahit mukha siyang maputi or parang brighter colors, but I'm sure na kahit sa deeper skin shade, kumbaga, mabibigay niya yung radiant glow or parang that radiant blush sa kahit sinong gumagamit. And if you have deeper skin shade, peach will also be the best shade for you. Okay, next, we have the Intense Eye Color or Intense Liquid Eyeshadow that comes in 4 shades. 3 shimmers, namely Cute, I Love You, and Hello, and 1 matte shade in Gorgeous. This retails 299 pesos and weighs 5.5 grams. I'm going to apply this with synthetic brushes, pero actually mas maganda nang gumamit ng daliri if you're using maybe 1 to 2 shades. Pero kung magli-layer kayo ng multiple shades, then it's best to use a synthetic brush. And I'm going to start with the cool tone brown shade, and this is Gorgeous. This is the matte shade. Actually, let me try using this with my hands first, and then let's try using this with a brush. Wow, that was very easy to blend as well. It does set very quickly, but it doesn't look patchy or anything like that. Usually kasi in Koreans, yung liquid shadows nila glittery and sparkly. And usually then 1 shade lang sila kasi. Pinagaganon lang nila on the center. Now, let's try the shade I Love You. This is like the copper shade on the center of the lids. And this, gagamitan lang talaga natin siya ng daliri. And just to put highlights on the inner corners, I'm going to use the lightest shade. Wow. That's showing. Oh my gosh. I am really loving this as well. Oh my gosh. Cons, wala masyado except siguro doon sa payoff or parang color intensity ng I Love You at saka ng Hello. Ito yung copper shade, ito yung bronze shade. Kasi, ang napansin ko lang, natitira yung shimmers. Kumbaga na-apply siya, and then pag blended mo na siya, parang nawawala na yung color na copper. So, kumbaga yung intensity, hindi naglalast, kumbaga. Pero pag nilayer nyo naman, yun, lalabas siya. But, compared to Gorgeous and this Cute, gosh, yung intensity ng dalawang to, isang layer lang, kitang-kita mo na, oh my gosh, yun. See that on the inner corner? And also, doon sa lids, a little goes a long way. And I have to add na sinabi nila or claim nila na budge-proof yung Intense Liquid Eyeshadows. And it is indeed smudge-proof and budge-proof. As you can see, it sets really quickly and it will set to this really long-lasting eyeshadow. This All-Day Intense Matte Lipsticks has 3 shades. We have Beautiful, My Love, and Honey. This retails 299 pesos and weighs 3.4 grams. Hindi ko pa siya muna i-apply sa lips dahil uunahin ko muna yung tint para ma-achieve yung gradient look. But so far, base sa swatch, ang ganda ng shades for me. Bagay ito kahit sa bata or sa matanda. Everything's warm and muted down. Hindi siya bright, which is something kumbaga different because you'd expect na sobrang bright ng colors ng lipsticks ng Koreans. But this, they kept it wearable sa ating Filipinas. And lastly, this pretty much seals the deal ng pagiging K-Beauty collection. Syempre, hindi mawawala ang all-day lip and cheek water tint nila that comes in 4 shades. They have pink, red, cherry, and orange. This retails 249 pesos each and weighs 2.15 grams. Medyo mahihirapan lang ako mag-swatch sa lips pero try ko muna itong orange para makita nyo kung anong itsura niya sa labi. Una, ang ganda ng applicator niya. Parang blendable na doe foot. Kumbaga malambot. So, madaling mag-apply sa labi. It also smells good. Amoy passion fruit ito. This is orange. Oh, wow. Oh, nice. May pait din siya, pero may flavor. Ang ganda ng lapat niya sa labi. Pantay. And ito naman yung red. Try natin yung red. Wow! I really love it on the lips. I love the tint. It doesn't cling onto the dry parts of the lips. It's also very moisturizing. Very pigmented as well. Easy to blend. Easy to set, and then it stains really well. I'm super loving this. The only con that I can find is I think the flavor, as in may pait lang siya. But nonetheless, it's the kind of may pait but still is moisturizing on the lips. It's not drying at all. It's like bittersweet. Yun yung lasa niya. I'm just going to apply the lipstick, My Love, doon sa outline. And try natin magmukhang gradient. Yeah, halos wala ng effect. Now it's time for the verdict. I'm really pleased and I'm really happy about everything. Packaging, top-notch, world-class. The formulation, really good. I think sa formula lang, pinaka-least favorite ko yung BB and CC cream because may tendency siyang maging greasy and talagang like mag-oil up. And so I had to set my face with powder. But at least the shade is on point still. And then yun lang. I mean, apart from BB and CC cream, everything has amazing formulation and performance on the face. Isunod natin yung sa eyes. Ang ganda ng shades. Neutrals, nudes, very universal. Everybody can pull it off. I also do love na nag-add sila ng matte shade para sa mga hindi kaanong mahilig sa shimmer shades. And it's also a good, transition shade for those of you na merong crease. Since ako, wala naman akong crease, I mean, hindi sobrang deep set. So, I have very Asian eyes. It's nice na pang-add ng depth and magandang pang-gradient. So, I can achieve that really like K-beauty eyes, as you can see. Ang ganda talaga ng quality for its price. And then next at cheek, I do love the cheek paint. I love how it's blendable. I love how it looks young. And I love how Korean it is. And sa lipstick naman, I love the shades. Very suitable for Filipino skin. I also can't really find something na mahirap gamitin or parang ikapapangit nyo, parang ganon. Madali siyang gamitin. Really nice. And then, pagdating sa tints, I'm really surprised myself. I swatched one shade doon sa event. Just one. Just to really see my first impression and how it works on the lips. And I have to say, it's really good. The formula is good. Water tint siya. But, madali siyang kumapit sa balat. It stains well. And as you can see, talagang smudge-proof, transfer-proof. So, recommendations, I recommend everything. Except siguro doon sa BB and CC cream kung deeper ang shade ninyo and if you have oily skin. But other than that, you can enjoy the BB and CC cream stick if you want a luminous glow. And I think that's it. And I have nothing else to say, but I'm happy. And if you've tried everything as well, let me know in the comment section below what you think about the newest collection of BLK Cosmetics. If you're as happy as I am, let me know in the comment section below. If you have any feedback about the cosmetics or about the products, let me also know in the comment section below. And maybe BLK will read it. And yeah, but so far, I'm really happy. Yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to give this a thumbs up and don't forget to get subscribed and notified as well para kayong unang makakaalam kung may bago akong video. And also, you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, all at Raiza Contawi. Thank you so much for sticking around and sa panonood ng ating first impression, haul, and review ng BLK Cosmetics K-Beauty Collection. Maraming salamat, take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Annyeong!